Hello everyone, my name is Matthew and this is Learn the Lingo. Welcome to Lesson 16 of Hebrew Basics, a series where we learn the essentials of Hebrew grammar. In our last lesson, we learned how to ask yes or no questions in Hebrew. But sometimes we want to get a more specific answer, like who did it, what they did, when and where they did it, and why and how. These 6 words are called question words, since they're used to ask questions. Today, we are going to learn the Hebrew equivalents of the question words who, what, and why. Let's start with who, which is me in Hebrew. Let's use me to say, who is that person? Who is me, and person is Adam. To say that person, we put the adjective ze after Adam, person. Remember that ze can mean both this and that in modern Hebrew. On both the noun and the adjective ze, we add a ha. Ha-adam ha-ze, that person. Mi ha-adam ha-ze. Who is that person? Mi ha-adam ha-ze. The Hebrew word for what is ma. To say, what do you want? We say ma, what, you, which we can translate as the feminine singular at, rotsa, once in feminine singular form to agree with at. Ma'at rotsa. What do you want? Ma'at rotsa. And why is lama. Let's say, why is he rich? Why is lama, he is hu, and rich is ashir. Lama hu ashir. Why is he rich? Lama hu ashir. Let's change this question up a little bit and say, why is she rich? To do this, we'll have to change who to he, which means she, and put the adjective ashir, rich, into feminine singular form. To do that, we add a feminine singular a ending. And remember that when endings are added to many masculine singular forms of adjectives or nouns that have 2 syllables, the vowel of the first syllable will be shortened to a schwa. And this would happen with ashir, was it not for the fact that the first vowel is under a letter ayin. Remember that in our last lesson we learned that the letters aleph, ayin, chet, and hey rarely will take a schwa, and never will if they are the first letter of a syllable, as this ayin is. When one of these letters is supposed to have a schwa, but cannot, a vowel will be added with the schwa to make it a patach schwa, sagol schwa, or kamatz schwa. Since the first vowel of ashir is an a vowel, we'll shorten it to the patach schwa, which also says a. So we'll have ashira, rich in feminine singular form. Lama hi ashira. Why is she rich? Lama hi ashira. The masculine and feminine plural forms of ashir will also have the first vowel shortened to a patach schwa instead of just a schwa. Ashirim, rich in masculine plural form, and ashirot, rich in feminine plural form. The masculine singular form of the adjective chadash, new, is also a 2-syllable word, and so when endings are added to it, the first vowel is supposed to be shortened to a schwa. But the first letter is chet, and that letter cannot take a schwa as the first letter of the syllable. So instead the vowel will be a patach schwa. Then we can add an a ending to get chadasha, new in feminine singular form, an im ending to get chadashim, new in masculine plural form, and an ot ending to get chadashot, new in feminine plural form. We'll need the feminine singular form of new to make the Hebrew question, why does he want a new pet? Why is lama, he is hu, and want in masculine singular form to agree with hu is rotzeh. Remember that in Hebrew, adjectives come after nouns. So to say a new pet, first we say the noun, pet, which is chayat machmad, and then the adjective new. This adjective must agree in gender and number with chayat machmad, which is a feminine singular noun. To put the adjective chadash in feminine singular form, we add an a ending. When this happens, the first vowel should shorten to a schwa, but it's under a chet, so instead it only shortens to a patach schwa, chadasha, new in feminine singular form. A new pet, chayat machmad chadasha. Lama hu rotzeh chayat machmad chadasha. Why does he want a new pet? Lama hu rotse hayat mahmad halasha. And that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share. And if you want to learn more Hebrew, please consider subscribing to my channel and checking out some of my other videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.